In this video, I'd like to show you how you can restore your cabinet for your Zenith Trans-Oceanic with WD-40. A trick I learned from Tom, who sold me the filter pack kit. I have some WD-40. I have a spray bottle. You can also buy a spray bottle that says WD-40 on it from eBay for about 10 bucks. Or some auto parts store actually have a WD-40 for about 10 bucks with a removable top. It's a spray bottle that has WD-40 in it. So I got a little microfiber cloth here, and I'm just going to spray some on there and apply it, and it brings the shine back and cleans it up, gets off any dirt, and makes it smell nice too. And Tom says this also works for cleaning the inside of the radio to get odors out, mildew and musty odors. Turn it around. See, move it over a little. Just put it on there, let it soak in. Nice and shiny. See, we'll put some on here. Put it on directly, I guess. You can do it either way. On the microfiber cloth, or put it on directly. I'm not going too close to her. It says model R600, just in case it wants to wipe that off. You can also spray inside on the wood part too. Like I said though, mine's in pretty good shape. Let's see here. You can do this as often as you need to. And there's other methods for restoring these that are available on the web, but I heard about this, and this works very well. You can see how the bottom looks. Might as well do it while we're here. The advantage of spraying on the cloth first is you don't get spray all over your room. I came out here because the light was good, or at least better than it was inside. Plus, I don't want to get any spray around the room. Yeah, that works better. So that's it. A little WD-40, a little spray bottle, and you can have your Zenith Trans-Oceanic cabinet looking a lot better. This is Paul, Alpha Alpha 1 Sierra Uniform.